And underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life.
Following on from the last episode where we had one of the best days at the resort of Zakopane, we pick up in this episode having left. These goats caught our eyes. We queued in the traffic as we were leaving. And it looks like it's dinner time for them. And now travelling towards the Slovakian border, heading for a campsite that we found online.
I'm guessing that might be over in Slovenia. I'm guessing. A mountain range.
The silhouette's incredible.
Yeah. It's always in the distance, isn't it? Wow, look at these properties. How much are they worth?
Looks to be hotel, yeah.
That's a mountain resort apartment, yeah. Look at the balconies. Wow.
We're soon at our target site, which is a hostel with rooms, bar and a restaurant, with a few spaces for travelling vans.
So this was 50 zloty, which is about £10 I think, 83. It's a bit confused as to whether the showers, at first they said, do we have a reservation? No, and he said, well, it might be a problem, but then he said it wasn't a problem, so.
We'll show you more of the facilities later in the video. We take a drink on their terrace that overlooks across to Slovakia.
It's difficult to take it all in, to be honest. It's a bit difficult to describe the landscape we're now sat in. It's been a perfect day. Having a coffee and a beer overlooking that for £10 a night. It's mad, isn't it?
Yeah.
Absolutely mad.
We simply never expected this when we planned this trip.
We had a fantastic day, mate.
Unbelievable.
Just been one of those days and we've just ended up here. I say it's 50 zloty, which is 10 quid.
£9.80.
£9.80 or £10? Anyway,
£9.80.
whatever it is, 10 quid anyway for the night. It's got showers we found. Bit confused when we booked in, but that's down to the language, I think. But the scene is just, it's just epic, isn't it?
Yeah. So Stu's just gone to have a shower, free showers, free Wi-Fi. And when he comes back, we are going to open the back doors. And you'll see why. I'll show you them when we've opened them.
So that's our nighttime view for 10 quid. I know there's a road there, so there's a bit of road noise, but that'll calm down. Personally, I don't care. That's perfect. There is showers, but they're cold. But you know what? It's alright. I'm just going to make tea. Jane's just gone for a shower. A couple of campers either side of us who are doing similar as us. They got a really small camping rig they cook out the back. Good for them. Making memories they are. Brilliant. This side I think is a cyclist. He was in the showers early, came down to have a beer. Guy on his own. I think that's a Renault, but I'm not sure. So tonight we're having that, which is these dumplings. I think it's meat inside them. I think you boil them for so many minutes, I need to read. And we'll just have a simple salad with it. So we've got to plunge them in boiling water, wait until they float, and then 3 minutes.
We're a bit worried that it says you can fry them as well.
As well.
Yeah.
I sort of would like them fried, but anyway, we'll boil them. Because I haven't got the...
Are you sure?
No, we'll boil
They
them.
don't mean boil then fry, do they? I don't
know,
think.
I don't.
No, they don't.
This is my new little jug
and it's slimline because we got 2 burners that are quite close together in the camper van because of space. So this jug here is quite narrow but high and allows me to put that over there with the ridge monkey if ever I need it. Sort of my favourite little jug. And then we've got a salad that I made up, which is lemon juice, salt and pepper, and potatoes in there, cucumber, pepper, onion, tomato as a side. That's all we're going to have. It's more than enough. So we've got a bit of a recipe challenge going on at the moment. We're trying to interpret what it says on the packaging and what it says on the internet. Which says that 3 minutes boiling once they're floated. We're not sure whether that's enough cooking, and then it says about putting it into a hot pan. So I think I'm going to do a bit of that as well, to be honest, because I don't think 3 minutes in there is enough cooking, in my opinion. So 3 minutes boiling and then in the pan. Tell me if I'm wrong.
Oh my god.
One more. That's not. I wouldn't eat those now after 3 minutes.
No, I don't
would not
think.
eat
I
those.
mean, I'm
would
sure
not
you
eat those.
can, but I think we talked ourselves out of it.
Yeah, they look a bit. I only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yeah,
10,
that's okay.
So it's 12 or 6 each.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. I'm pretty big.
Hold on a minute. Who had a kebab? What did you have? A kebab
I had a kebab
and
and some chippy
whirly
what was it?
thing.
Whirly thing,
Yeah.
which was chips basically on a stick.
Yeah,
which was really nice.
Yeah, they were nice.
They were nice. I think I've done enough, don't you
Yeah.
think?
Okay. Yeah.
Well, we've done it to either double the amount or not.
I don't know. Oh my god, there is a lot actually. That's.
Oh,
Do you think that's for 2 people?
Fine.
No, that's okay.
6? No, 6 each. No,
I
you're
don't- I
having
don't
6.
want 6.
No, you're having. Well, you can leave whatever you leave.
Okay.
You have the rest for breakfast.
I
You
apologise to anyone that's watching us. No, is that mine? That's
This is
fine.
mine. This is mine.
Oh,
Right.
that's mine.
You, well, what do you want? You say when.
I'll have it over my salad actually.
God.
That's it. That's fine. Thank you.
It's got like a minced
Yeah.
meat.
I did Google that to make sure it was meat, just in case. I don't know if that.
That's good.
Is it nice?
Right.
Okay.
That's very nice.
We simply put the bed down and watch the sun go down. Harry has now turned into the best restaurant ever.
If there's anybody who's Polish, will know this. Do you boil them for 3 minutes and then fry them, or just boil them? I think they need to be fried as well, personally. It's the following day. Unfortunately, the mountains are in exactly the same place. So they got a roof tent next door. I thought it was just a roof box they got. They sleep up on top of that small little car. That's a lot of faith on the roof. I guess it's all sat on the seams of the roof. Not sure I could be up there in a gale. I feel a bit exposed up there. Not a bad place to wake up to, is it? The mountains are a bit more defined today because of the position of the sun, I guess. Breakfast here. There's the showers and toilets. So the only thing is we found them to be cold, but and there's toilets and sink, and they actually provide charge your phones on it.
To be honest, it would be really easy to stay here all day, but we decide to move on. That was a really welcome stop. Because of the views were just absolutely breathtaking. I think it's probably one of the best. I say it's a lot, but it's probably one of the best. It was. No, we've got a few that are right up there.
It's the best one since the last best one.
Yeah. It was breathtaking, to be honest. And they had showers. We had showers in the cold, but it was fine.
Yeah, I mean, you can't go wrong for, well, it was less than £10, £9.83 I think.
Yeah, I had a shower with a slug. It's the biggest slug I've ever seen. Just kept my eye on him, made sure he wasn't...
It is right by this main road, but to be honest, at night there was no traffic anyway. You get traffic in the morning, but...
Yeah, I think we got traffic from about 4:30, but...
Yeah, it was alright.
We were awake anyway, so... The beauty about being in a van, isn't it? Like, we've had such a bizarre day yesterday. We didn't expect certain things to happen, like the slide, we didn't expect that to be so good, and that stop, we didn't expect that. We just thought at best we would get a park up. We didn't think it would come with a view.
The mountains again are just breathtaking, aren't
they? Unbelievable.
Well, we're just going down to the Slovenia border, actually, weirdly enough. Only because there's a shop down here, we wouldn't just get just tea for tonight more than anything else, so we thought we'd have a little drive down this way, get close to the mountains, but it's right on the Slovenia border, and then we're going to go back up this road back into Poland more and just carry on tracking east. Got a couple of stops, there's a couple of castles I've seen, so we'll see what we come across more than anything else. What we do and what we normally like to do, which is just drift.
Yeah, that's what we do best. Drifting slowly. We're not good on a schedule, I know that.
It's popular here for hiking and I guess.
Popular, isn't it?
I'm looking for the shop.
Oh look, they take you on a shuttle to there. Very popular area, isn't
Okay, we're not going to get easy to the shop by the looks of it. The shop's over there, we'll go to the other one.
Okay.
It doesn't matter.
But it's so busy, as it's obviously a popular tourist spot, so we decide to give it a miss and head towards our destination for the day.
I love the tinch ring roofs on them. Also about 5 stories high, some of these things are.
Yeah.
Oh, so the first place we're going to is, it's just a car park there, but there's on the opposite side there's some traditional old shepherd huts.
Stu's found a little stop off at some traditional shepherd's huts close to the border with Slovakia. Stu manages to get Tom the drone up.
I've been unable to find much about them online, so if you know anything about them at all, let me know in the comments.
Our channel relies on your continued support, so please hit that like and subscribe button.
That's the Yavarinka River that divides Slovakia and Poland in this area. We're also on social media, and if you want to support us further, we have a Buy Me a Coffee link in the description, or there is a QR code on the screen that will take you there. You can probably just make out the ski lift that's going up on the hill on the left there.
From what I can see about the reviews, they've been totally neglected over the years. Can't really find much history on them. The last one a couple of months ago said that they're being restored, so is there many of them?
Well, there's 4 there. I think couldn't see any. There's probably more in
there. There are more at the back.
That one's restored.
Yeah, well, that looks like it's lived in. It's got...
So we're there at the moment, and this is Poland, but this is Slovenia here. So the hills over there and where that river was that I saw is actually Slovenia.
Despite Stu continuously getting the country name wrong, which incidentally he has now passed on to me, we decide to drive into Slovakia, just to say that we've been there, even if it was just for 300 metres. We just went to Slovenia for 2 minutes. It was very nice.
We soon turn Harry round and we head back for Poland.
Well, we'll leave it there after a perfect couple of days where Poland continues to share its jewels of the south. We'll see you in the next episode, where a castle's history is unveiled, and we arrive at a river park up on the border of Slovakia that becomes the start of another great adventure.